In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online event on Eventbrite. First, open your web browser and go to Eventbrite's homepage. If you already have an account, sign in. If you're new, you can create one for free in a moment. Being signed in ensures your progress is saved as you set things up. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Create button at the top and select Event. Eventbrite gives you two ways to start: create from scratch or create with AI. From scratch is great if you already know your details and want full control over each field. Create with AI can help you draft a title or summary based on a few prompts, and you can edit everything later, so don't worry about being locked in. Next, add the basics. Enter a clear, descriptive title that tells people exactly what they're signing up for. Then set the date, start time, and end time. Double check the time zone and make sure the start and end times reflect the actual duration of your session, including any buffer you might need for Q&A. If your timing is still tentative, you can put placeholder times now and refine them later before publishing. Under location, choose online event. This flags your event as virtual and lets you share a live stream link, webinar room, or meeting details securely with attendees. Eventbrite will keep access information private and send it only to registered guests, which helps reduce unwanted drop-ins. You can also connect common webinar tools later from the event dashboard if you prefer. After these fields look good, click Create. Eventbrite will build your event draft, which you can come back to at any time. Use the preview option to see exactly what attendees will view before you publish, and feel free to save as a draft while you fine-tune details. From there, you can add a description, set up tickets or registration, upload a banner image, and configure reminders. But for now, you've completed the core setup that turns your idea into an actual online event listing. That's it. Your online event is created. To recap, go to Eventbrite, click Create, and choose Event. Decide whether to start from scratch or with AI, fill in the title and timing, select Online Event for the location, and then hit Create. Keep your details clear and accurate, and you'll be ready to share your event with attendees in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.